a cold, dark skin, light skin, medium tones, pumping braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contours, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, wanna put pretty in my eyes.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from Remy Forte. Now, this is my first time ever working with this company, but it's not my first time hearing about them. I've seen them, or at least I've seen the girlies install wigs from this company on TikTok, but I haven't heard anybody actually review one of their units, so we're gonna do it today. They sent over this 6x4 26-inch kinky curly unit. Now, if 6x4s are not for you, they do also offer this unit in a 5x5 and also a 13x4, and they also offer this unit in, I want to believe it's 12 all the way down to 30 inches. According to the website, it says this unit is supposed to be 180% density, and if I'm gonna be honest, I would put her at like 200% density because she does feel like quite thick. The cap construction for this unit comes with no combs, no adjustable straps, but it does have a security band that you can attach and or remove if you choose to do so. Again, this is a 6x4, meaning you are going to get 6 inches going across the front and then 4 inches going straight back for the parting space. Now, I will let you guys know this unit did not come with pre-bleached knots, but on the website it doesn't say that it's supposed to come with pre-bleached knots either. So I mean, it's like, don't expect it if they're not saying that it's supposed to come that way. So I did go in and bleach the knots. I didn't bleach them fully just because I forgot to spray the hair with some type of spray like Got2b or something like that to protect the hair, and as the knots were bleaching, well, the hair started to bleach, so I was like, let me just go ahead and wash this off and I'll come back and fix it later. Now, looking at this hairline, it does look like it's been slightly pre-plucked. Granted, on the website it doesn't say that it's supposed to come pre-plucked, but when you look at it close up, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it does look like it has been slightly pre-plucked. I feel like this install is going to be pretty quick and straightforward, so let's go ahead and throw her on, define the curls, or redefine the curls rather, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts about this unit at the end.
Just help through me already. Gave you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over text and you call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you trace. You wanna hit me up when you're late. You'll try and come back when you change. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real life, baby. You wanna give me.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Remy Forte. Let's start with my cons first, and the first one is going to be whenever I was washing this unit, I had a lot of shedding. Now, yes, this is a curly unit, so you have to be mindful in the way that you brush out a curly unit. You know, you're supposed to treat it the same way you treat your natural curly hair. Start from the bottom, work your way to the top. And I can admit, I was going from like top to bottom, but I still don't think that I should have had that amount of shedding. Another thing is that I was kind of getting a little bit of tangling whenever I was washing the units, and I can honestly say that I'm also kind of getting that same tangling whenever the unit is dry as well. My last con about this unit is something I've already talked about in this video. I started to say unit. Why can't I talk? Because I can never talk in the videos, that's why. My last con would have to be that the unit did not come with pre-bleached knots. Now, granted, again, on the website it does not say that this unit is supposed to come with pre-bleached knots, but in a world of wigs where everything is coming pretty much pre-everything, yeah, like pre-bleached knots would always be nice. Now let's go ahead and move on to my pros. My first pro for this unit is going to be obviously the texture. I just love me a good old kinky curly unit. If it's kinky curly, if it's yaki straight, if it's anything of the 4B 4C area in a curly or a straight state, I think I've said this before in a video, I'm pretty sure I've said this before in a video, I'm gonna like it no matter what. The way the curls came on this unit already looked really nice, but with me going in and redefining the curls again makes it look even nicer in my opinion. And I can tell with the more wear that I wear this unit, yeah, I just wanted to make sure that made sense. With the more wear that I wear this unit, Lord, I feel like it is going to frizz up and make it look even more natural. Yeah, when I say natural, I feel like you guys know what I mean, meaning like it's going to look even more realistic, as if it could actually be my own hair. Now what I'm hoping doesn't happen with that frizzing up is that the unit also becomes matted. Now if that happens, then we're gonna have a problem. Currently it is 2 o'clock and I do plan on wearing this unit the rest of the day, so I'll either come back with an update at the end of this video, or I'll put it somewhere in the description box or maybe in the comments or something if I can remember whenever I upload this video, to let you guys know if it did mat up or not. Another pro for this unit is that this unit is a big head friendly. Now I did not go in and like adjust the security band all the way to where it would be loose. I think I left it like in the middle, so yeah, she's sitting pretty nicely on my head currently. Of course, I'm also loving the fact that this unit is a glueless unit, so therefore I don't have to worry about my edges or my sideburns being affected. But speaking of edges, I did go in and create some baby hairs, and granted, I know everybody is not for baby hairs. Heck, I used to be against them. Like almost every video I used to say, oh my gosh, I'm not a fan of baby hairs. And now look at me, here I am creating baby hairs on units. But in my defense, I do feel like glueless units kind of need them. For me personally, if the unit isn't coming with like the kinky curly edges, then yeah, I feel like baby hairs are needed, because then it helps kind of like blend in, kind of conceal your hairline just a bit. Whenever it's the kinky curly edges, I mean shoot, that's gonna match up just fine with my edges, so yeah, I don't need no baby hairs then. But if it's a silky straight unit, a yaki straight unit, or a kinky curly unit, again without the kinky curly edges, then yes, I feel like baby hairs are appropriate. The lace on this unit seems to be pretty nice, like it melted pretty nice, that's for sure. Again, I didn't use any glue or any sprays or anything. I did go in with the Eben melting spray, and I went in with like very little of that, and that was just like kind of just to make sure I tacked it down, just because like I said, I am going to be wearing this unit the rest of the day, so I don't want her slipping and sliding, just in case, you know. But yeah, those are all my thoughts so far about this unit. You guys let me know your thoughts and opinions about this unit down in the comment section below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the comment section below or down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.